How to enable or disable notifications on HFM. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're wondering how to enable or disable notifications on HFM, then it is super simple and you can control exactly what alert you receive. First of all, launch open the HFM application on your device and sign into your account. Once signed in, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. Inside the More menu, click on Push Notification Settings, and on the next page, go ahead and turn off the option that you don't want alert for. For example, if you don't want market alerts, toggle off the switch right next to market alerts, and so on. If you don't want any kind of a notification, then you can also go ahead and open up the Settings app on your device. Inside Settings app, scroll down and tap on Notifications. And under the Notification tab, choose HFM application from the list. My HFM notification is currently turned off. If you want to switch it on, toggle on the button right next to Allow Notification and make sure it is turned green. Now, if you ever want to turn off the notification, you can do it from your HFM app. Switch off the notification type you don't want to receive. And you can also get back to the Settings app and turn off the Allow Notification tab for HFM. If you ever change your mind and you want the alerts back, then you can come back to the same menu and toggle on the switch right next to the notification alert type you want to receive. Similarly, you can get back to the settings and toggle on the switch right next to allow notifications to get the alerts back. So from there, you can easily change your notification, whether you want to switch it on or off on HFM app. So I hope the video was a bit helpful to you. If it was in any way, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.